We get asked pretty often how durable our parts are. And so we're here today at a construction site. We've got a mini excavator, we've got a bigger excavator, and we've got an even bigger excavator. And we're just gonna crush stuff until something breaks. If it breaks, we'll show you. And if it doesn't, we're gonna keep going until it does. So yeah, check it out. You're shearing it on the mount a little bit. Oh, we're picking the excavator up. Yeah. Oh, we're peeling it. Here we go. Still looking all right. Yeah, picked up the whole excavator with it. Nice. Nice. All right, so we picked up the excavator by hitting the bump stop with the bucket, and we were able to break the bolt off in the ground and in the steel plate. The bump stop is still looking pretty good. So we picked up the mini excavator by putting the whole bucket on top of the bump stop and lifting the front of the excavator up. The bump stop looks fine. It was able to break the bolt off in the bump and in the steel plate. So that goes to show how much load actually went into the part. We'll continue hammering on this part. Evidently, this guy wasn't enough. So we're gonna have to hunt for a bigger machine to really start to hammer on some of these parts. The other machine wasn't big enough, so we've graduated to a bigger machine. This guy's about 70,000-ish pounds, and we're gonna start by crushing some stuff again. Depending on how that goes, we'll drive some things over, and I feel pretty confident that we'll be able to break something this time. So let's give it a shot. Hell yeah! Give another one. Give me one more. Yeah, all right. I think we might have done it that time. Oh, it slid off the mount. I think we might have killed her. That's after a couple of good hits with the excavator. This guy's 75,000 pounds. And you can see the head of the bolt chewed through the tip of the bump. And the bucket pushed it sideways. Personally, I would still run this on my vehicle. But if you did this, even if you ran it over with an excavator or hit it with a bucket or whatever, we'd still get you under warranty. No worries about it. We got you. Absolutely. Now we're gonna run over everything with the track. Again, this machine's about 75,000 pounds, and I just laid out an assortment of parts. We do have our wounded soldier here. So this guy's been crushed by two machines, and now it's gonna get crushed again in a different way. Yeah, let's see how everything fares. If you're gonna run over your bump stops with a 75,000 pound excavator, you might want to remove your aluminum mounting plates first. But other than that, these are all looking pretty healthy.
I'd put them on my truck.
I would too. We've got the bump that's been crushed by two different machines two different machines several different ways and different times, and this time we ran over it. Still intact. It's got a little damage up near the top, and it's a little bit bent, but a 75,000 pound machine will do that to you. The rest of these parts are actually looking pretty fit for service. They're all looking pretty good. So I think we need a bigger machine. Let's see what we got. know, this might not be enough. Not totally sure. Unfortunately, the first two machines were just not enough. And thankfully, we've got a 100,000 pound machine right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna crush parts using the breaker on the end here. And then I think we're also gonna run over some parts again. So far, we've yet to cause a completely catastrophic failure of a part. And we wanna do that. So we're gonna keep going. Nice, come up and give it a big one.
Oh, it's smoking.
Yeah, it's smoking.
Again.
All right, again. Yeah, that's it. All right, let me see the carnage. I think we finally killed it.
It's hot.
It's hot. So, yeah, let me get that on camera. So it's actually still hot because it shed so much energy from the impact that it actually absorbed some of that and turned it into heat. And it was smoking for a second there. But it does look like we finally took some damage. Got a small, not small, we've got a crack down the side of it. But I mean, let's be real here. Would you expect your bump stops to survive this machine?
Oh, there it is.
There it is. Oh, it's so hot. All right.
Dude, I mean, it's still one
in
piece.
One piece. That's 100,000 pound excavator versus a Perry Parts bump stop. I'm pretty happy with that.
Third one's just gone.
Absolutely buried.
Wow.
That's not a split, that's the seam for manufacturing. I think to finish off, we'll drive over everything with this machine in the same way that we did with the tiny little 70,000 pound machine. Hell yeah. These mounting brackets are not happy with us. Cranked. Yup. I mean, we knew the aluminum wasn't going to make it long.
Is there one stuck in the track?
Yeah.
Oh, no way. Oh, I love that.
Should leave that one right there.
He's a survivor. It's actually, it's in there pretty good.
I didn't even see that come up.
I think we found the limit. But with that said, I'm absolutely thrilled with how all these parts turned out. We drove over them numerous times with an excavator. I think this machine alone 4 times, the previous machine 2 or 3 times, and the machine before that a couple times. We've smashed them with buckets, we pinched them with the breaker, drove them into the ground, and they're all in good shape, given what they've gone through. With all that said, I think that the modern idea of 3D printing being for fragile, brittle parts, it needs to go away because we're doing a lot different things nowadays. And we've set a new standard in how we manufacture parts here. No questions asked warranty. You can put your product through anything, but if you don't back it, it doesn't matter. We always back our products. And give them hell. Have fun. Thank you.